Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clear, honest request. Make sure the profile is private and that you're using a complete Instagram account. People are likelier to approve identifiable profiles. Once done, tap follow and include a brief message. Say your name and reason for the request so the recipient understands your intent. Be polite and specific because a genuine message increases acceptance rates. If they accept, you can view posts. If not, respect their privacy and consider alternative lawful options. Once your initial request is pending, look for mutual connections. Friends in common strengthen trust. Reach out privately to a mutual contact and ask if they'll introduce you or vouch for your request. Make sure you explain why you need access. If that's uncomfortable, join the same community or event where connection can form naturally, and then re-request access later. This route works because people grant access based on social proof and familiarity, so building rapport increases the chance of acceptance. Finally, accept the response and do not attempt to bypass privacy settings. Attempting to view a private account without permission is unethical and can violate terms of service. If denied, ask politely whether they'll share particular photos or allow a temporary view via direct message. Alternatively, look for publicly shared or tagged content and rely on mutual contacts for context. Remember, respecting boundaries preserves relationships and keeps you within legal and platform rules, which is the safest, most effective approach.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.